Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here again at Treviso Bay. Today we're taking a look at our listing in Giaveno. It's unit 1344. It's a top floor Antonia unit. Comes with the golf membership included, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right around 1,200 square foot. Granite countertops, crown molding in all the main areas. Tile throughout the main areas. Let's take a look here at this awesome condo. It's being offered now at $259,900. Right towards the front here on the right is your kitchen. Granite countertops, wood cabinets, stainless appliance package. Got a nice little pantry there as well for storage. And coming back into the hallway on our left are the guest bedroom and the guest bath. Here's the guest bedroom here with twin bed set up. Then you have a closet with bifold doors there. And then just across is the guest bath, the single sink and the combination tub shower. Also, your washer and dryer are housed right here in the guest bath as well. It's a full-size washer and dryer, not a stackable one. And coming out into the main areas, you've got plenty of seating space for a dining room table. You've got your bar stools, and then your nice little living area here. This unit is being offered turnkey, so everything that you see here comes with it, along with this amazing view of the lake and the Rookery Bay Preserve here at Treviso Bay. Your sunsets are going to be right here about on the left-hand side, and that's going to make for a really picturesque view when you're relaxing on your lanai. Again, here's the main area, and then right over here is the master. Plenty big for a king-size suite. Again, this is all turnkey, so everything that you're seeing comes with this home. You have his and hers closets, and then you have the master bath with the single sink and standalone shower. And then you also have another linen closet right here. So that's it, folks. This is unit 1344, top floor Antonia here in Treviso Bay. Comes with the golf membership included. This home is being offered at $259,900. It's an amazing price for this condo. If you have any questions or you're interested in making an offer, give us a call. 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also email us, roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. And you can also visit our website, trevisobayatnaples.com, for all the latest and greatest information for Treviso Bay. This is Roberto Lee, and we'll see you next time, folks.